Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. Now, most people keep on asking me on the best way to select high converting offers on AdBlueMedia and what? And my favorite CPAGrip. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create how to select high converting offers on CPAGrip and AdBlueMedia. So let's quickly start with the CPAGrip here. Yeah, CPAGrip, this account here. So just click top performing offers. Then remember on CPA networks, you can create an account using your normal country details, and then go here, the country you want to promote. For example, if you want to promote United States, just search United States, because these are tier 1 countries which have high paying offers. So now, once you are in this and you want you don't want to waste time, you want to work with offers which are high converting, just come here. First of all, if you are a beginner, select email and zip submit like that. Yeah. Once you select email submit, come here, net EPC. Make sure that the net EPC starts from the highest. When a net EPC is high, it means that that particular offer is high converting and people are making money from it very easily. So from here now, the best high converting offer among the ones listed here is this one, Buffalo Wild Wings offer. Then there is a PlayStation gift card offer and so much others like Cash App. There is Amazon Prime Day. Yeah, you see, all these are starting from the highest net EPC to the lowest EPC. It shows you the highest converting offer to the lowest converting offer. So with this way, for example here, if I was to select high converting offers, I would select the first 10, yeah, whichever I feel I want to promote here. All of these you see here, they have a high chances of converting and earning you something, yeah. So that's very, very simple. And then, as you know, depending with the devices you're using for promotion, you can either use all. It shows you desktop and mobile devices. You can either select desktop, whereby it's going to show you high converting offers for desktops only. It's all depending with your capability and the types of user agents you're using or devices that you're using. Remember here, the EPC should always start from the highest going to the lowest, because the highest EPCs are the highest converting offers. So that's how you select high converting offers on CPAGrip. Now let's head over to AdBlueMedia. So let's go to offers. Let's click all offers here, and the same thing applies. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with the email and zip submit. For example, let's select here. Then if your country doesn't have high converting offers, yeah, you can come to any country which has a converting offer like United States, select it there, like that. Then click search. And remember, when you're promoting the United States, always make sure you're using accounts or social media accounts which are from that particular country in order to get people from the target country. There is no way I'm in my country now, Kenya, and then I be promoting on my Kenyan Facebook account for the United States. This offer, I'm not going to get any lucky followers. But alternative is using my Kenyan account. I can go to Facebook groups for USA. Yeah, I join them, and then in the comment section, I'll be replying to people and recommending and promoting my offers there. But the best way is to have, if you're promoting United States using social media accounts offers, it's always good to have social media accounts for those particular countries, so that at least you can be able to target the right audience for making sure that you get a read on your offers or your offer gets converted. Now, this is AdBlueMedia. So how do you select? Once you select the country you need, and assuming you're a beginner, you have your selected email and zip submit. Come here now. Under EPC, once again, is the same process as we did in GP. You see? So you start, for example, now the highest network EPC or net EPC is 0.05. This means that in the United States, under email and zip submit, this City Connect PayPal 100 offer is the one which is highly converting. Yeah, it means that most audience are clicking this offer and giving out their email and completing the offer, and you as a CPA affiliate network marketer, you're going to be paid around $3.28. So that's how you select high converting offers on AdBlueMedia and CPAGrip. It's a very, very easy process which people don't talk about it, but here, remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel where I share everything for free to my members. So be sure to practice what I showed you here when selecting high converting offers, and give me the feedback under the comment section of this video, or you can join my Telegram groups, my Telegram channel, and post your comment there. You can tag me whichever question you have, and I'll be ready to help and answer where I can. Remember, I'm preparing a CPA course, and my main sites to work on will be AdBlueMedia and CPAGrip, because they're the best for beginners. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep it shocked to my next video.